Hello viewers, welcome to Backup Technologies. Today we are about to unbox a Burglar Alarm system, and this is how the box is, and then we are going to open it. When you open it, first you get the user manual, and then you have the user guide, and then you have security system app. Now when you take this one out, this is the system itself, the G30 alarm system. Then we further on remove this, see what we have in the box. We have the motion sensor. We have the motion sensor. We have the siren. We have the charger and the adapter. The adapter is also here. We have the remote control. There are two. This is also the remote control. There are two, as you can see. Now these are the items that you get when you purchase it. There we have the unlock. Now I'm going to open this and let's see what happens. Now I'm going to open it. You can see that the light is on and the diagram is on. Now when you put it, after doing it this way, you unlock it. When you watch on the system, it will tell you that a door or window is opened because you have used the remote to unlock and this one is not closed. So let's close it back and see what happened on the screen. You can see that it's not there again. And this one, the system is not locked, it is unlocked. So if I open the window, it will only indicate on the system that the windows is open, but the siren will not blow because I've not locked the system. So let's watch here. Now I'm putting the window sensor opened, and then we'll watch on the system. So let's watch here. You see that? All right, that's how it works. And the siren is very, very loud. Let's put it on again. Let's lock. Okay. The system is locked and has 3 seconds to exit. All right, now let's now this is the motion sensor. I've turned it, so I'm going to use my hand and go and